In this video, I will show you step by step how you can claim a 60-day trial of Kajabi. If you go to Kajabi's website directly, and then click on the Get Started button, you'll only get a 14-day free trial. To get an extended trial, you need to visit Kajabi using the first link down below in the description. This is an exclusive affiliate link, which will provide you an extended trial of Kajabi. With that link, you'll be able to use Kajabi for 30 days. I will show you how you can extend it for 60 days in a moment. For now, simply go ahead and enter this details, and create your account. Once it's done, you'll be taken to Kajabi's dashboard. We have already get the 30-day trial of Kajabi. Now, to extend this trial, click on the settings option on the bottom left. Next, you need to scroll down, and then go to this subscription option. Here, you'll see your subscription details and your trial end date as well. I've claimed the trial long ago, so I only have 3 days left in my trial. And now I am going to extend this trial for another 30 days. To do that, we need to click on Change Plan option. Next, when we scroll down, we'll see this Cancel Subscription option. We need to click on this Cancel Plan button. Then again click on this Cancel Subscription button. And now, you can see that Kajabi is offering us another 30-day for absolutely free to try out their tool. That's how to claim the 30-day trial of Kajabi. Now, click on this Extend My Free Trial button, and boom! We've received another 30 days to use this tool for absolutely free. I hope you found this video helpful. The trial link is given in the video description, so make sure to use that to set up your account. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe for more videos like this.